Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what is the dictionary, that is one of the data types of Python, how we can use the dictionary data type. So in our previous videos we have seen the basics of what is dictionary and how we can declare a key value pair, and we have seen how we are declaring the list, sets and all. So let's see now how we can define a dictionary and access those values or update those values and delete those values. First, how we can create a dictionary like a list or something. So let's give like a dicto. So we used a curly brace and you have to assign some keys. Okay, dictionary is working on basis of certain keys and their corresponding values. So let's assign book as the key and its corresponding value is Python. So this is one key value. So now the key is book and the value is Python. So one is over. So again I am declaring next key, so that is price, and its value is say 100. So we have completed two key value pairs in a dictionary, that is dicto. So now if you return the value of dicto, you can see the value is the price is 100 and the book is Python. So now how you will return the values? So normally how we will access the values using the index, but in dictionary you have to access by using its key. So that is dicto of, you can access the price, so that is its key. Dicto of price, we have missed the quotes. So you're getting the value as 100. So in this way we can access the values in the dictionaries. Then apart from this direct initialization, how we can create? So like you can create in this way. So let's say like a new dicto, and we have a function called dict. In this way you can create a new dictionary. So now a dictionary has been created with a new dicto. Okay, so if you see like what is there in dicto, so there is nothing because we didn't give any values in. So let's start assigning the values. So new dicto. So let's give the first key. So the key is first and we are assigning the values as online. So next let's assign the next value, new dicto, to its second key. So now the key is second and its corresponding value is classes. Okay, so now we have given these values. So if you see the dictionary now, new dicto, you are having the values. So now you can access by using its keys, that is a new dicto of first. So what are you getting? Online. So in this way you can access the values. So now we are having two dictionaries, that is one is new dicto and another one is dicto. Now I would like to add some values, add some few more key value pairs in this dictionaries. How you can add? So in this way you can add it. So like dicto of let's see third, is equal to, let's give us Python again. So now if you see the value for dicto, we're having the three values. So in this way we can add the values in the dictionary in a key value pair by going on. And in case if you want to update, so let's see third is having the same values Python, so I want to change it to online. So how you can change it? So that is dicto of the key third, and I would like to change it to online. So directly if I assign this way, the value will be changed. So see here, the value is changed. So in this way you can update the values also. And if you want to delete any particular value, say here I want to delete the book from this dicto. So how you can delete it? So delete dicto of book. So I have deleted it. So now what is the values present in the dicto? So it is price and third. So the book is deleted from the dictionary. So in this way we can declare the keys and their corresponding values, and we can add more key and values, and we can access them, we can update them, and if you don't want the values in the dictionary, you can delete them. So we can use this dictionary data type in our Python programming for most of our needs. So I hope you guys understand the syntax and usage of in this program. So please like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.